If you want window-rattling bass, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best 12-inch Skar audio car subwoofers, built for serious bass lovers. Starting off strong with the Skar Audio VS12D4. Rated at 600 watts RMS and 1200 watts peak, this subwoofer features a competition-grade pressed paper cone and high-roll foam surround for deep, clean bass. The 2.5-inch copper voice coil keeps the motor cool under heavy use, delivering tight response and strong low-end presence. If you want impressive bass without breaking the bank, the VS12D4 is a perfect daily driver. Next up, the Skar Audio VXF12D2, a competition-grade monster. Rated at 1500 watts RMS and 3000 watts peak, it's designed for those who crave massive, low-frequency output. The high-temperature 3-inch voice coil, stitched competition-grade surround, and heavy-duty ferrite motor structure ensure insane power handling and reliability. If you want chest-pounding bass that dominates SPL competitions or daily setups, the VXF12D2 is an elite choice. The Skar Audio SDR12D2 strikes an excellent balance between affordability and hard-hitting bass. Rated at 600 watts RMS, it features a high-flux ferrite motor, high-roll foam surround, and pressed paper cone, tuned for deep, loud bass with everyday usability. Known for its efficiency and versatility, the SDR12 works beautifully in both sealed and ported enclosure. If you're starting your first real bass build or upgrading a stock system, the SDR12D2 delivers serious value and punch. When you're ready to step up to bigger bass, the Skar Audio EVL12D2 is waiting. Rated at a massive 1,250 watts RMS and 2,500 watts peak, it's built with a competition-grade paper cone, stitched high-roll surround, and 3-inch high-temperature voice coil. This subwoofer is made for extreme excursion, monstrous bass output, and extended durability. If you want bone-shaking bass with strong clarity, the EVL12D2 is one of Skar's most beloved models. Finally, the king of the list, the Skar Audio ZVX12V2D2. Rated at 1500 watts RMS and 3000 watts peak, this beast features a triple-stacked ferrite magnet, ultra-strong competition-grade cone, and 3-inch high-temperature coil. Designed for extreme SPL competition setups, the ZVX12V2 moves serious air and hits brutally low frequencies without breaking a sweat. If you need top-tier performance for competition-level or demo builds, the ZVX12V2D2 is the ultimate Skar 12-inch subwoofer. And that's our list of the top 5 best 12-inch Skar audio subwoofers. Which one will anchor your next bass build? Comment below and subscribe for more real-world car audio reviews.